Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to download Loom recorded video. Here are the steps to download a Loom recorded video. First, open your preferred web browser. Launch your preferred web browser, for example, Chrome, Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Go to Loom website. Visit the loom.com and log in into your account. Access your video library. After logging in, click on Library or go to My Videos in the sidebar. Select the video. Click on the Loom video you want to download. Open Video Options. In the video playback page, click the More options, the three dots icon usually found in the top right corner or below the video. Click Download Video. Choose video quality if prompted. If Loom gives you an option for resolution or format, choose your preference. Wait for the download to start. The download should begin automatically and save to your browser's default download folder. Locate the file. Open your downloads folder or the location you specified to find your Loom video as an MP4 file. Now your Loom video is saved offline and ready to be used or shared. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.